Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Replimune Group, Inc. quarterly report. Replimune Group, Inc. is a clinical-stage biotechnology company focused on developing and commercializing oncolytic immunotherapies for cancer treatment. The company's proprietary products are designed to activate the immune system against cancer cells. The company offers several product candidates, including Arpone, which targets solid tumors by expressing GAL-VGPR and human GM-CSF. Additionally, Replimune is developing Rpetwo, a product that expresses an anti-CTL-aminase-4 antibody-like protein to block immune response inhibition. The company's third product candidate, Rp3, stimulates T cells through the expression of immune-activating proteins. Replimune Group, Inc. was founded in 2015 and is headquartered in Woburn, Massachusetts. Unfortunately, I do not have access to the text you provided. However, I can still provide a general overview essay on what might cause a stock price to significantly drop. The decline of a company's stock price is often a complex issue with multiple contributing factors. One possible reason for a significant drop in Replimune Group, Inc.'s stock price could be disappointing financial results or missed earnings expectations. This can lead to a loss of investor confidence and a subsequent decrease in the stock's value. Another potential cause of a stock price decline is negative news or announcements from the company itself. This could include delays in clinical trials, setbacks in product development, or changes in leadership that raise concerns among investors. Additionally, external factors such as market trends, economic conditions, and regulatory changes can also impact a company's stock price. In some cases, a stock price decline may be due to increased competition or a shift in the market landscape. If Replimune Group, Inc.'s products or services are no longer seen as competitive or innovative, investors may lose interest and sell their shares, leading to a decrease in the stock price. It's also possible that the company's stock price has been affected by broader market trends or sector-specific issues. For example, if the biotechnology industry as a whole is experiencing a downturn, Replimune Group, Inc.'s stock price may be impacted accordingly. Ultimately, the reasons for a significant drop in Replimune Group, Inc.'s stock price are likely to be complex and multifaceted. A thorough analysis of the company's financial statements, news releases, and industry trends would be necessary to identify the specific factors contributing to this decline. The financial performance of the company has been a subject of concern in recent years. One key indicator that highlights this issue is its operating cash flow. Unfortunately, the company's operating cash flow has been negative for 2 consecutive years, 2024 and 2025. In 2024, the company reported an operating loss of -$138,519, indicating that it was unable to generate sufficient cash from its core operations to cover its expenses. This trend continued in 2025, with the company's operating cash flow worsening to -$224,183. These numbers suggest that the company is struggling to manage its finances effectively and may be facing significant challenges in generating positive operating cash flow. The company's debt level has undergone some changes over the past few years. Notably, long-term debt has increased by $1,251 from $46,377 to $47,628. However, total debt remains constant at $47,914 for both years 2027 and 2028. This suggests that while there may be fluctuations in specific types of debt, the overall debt level is stable. In terms of interest expenses, some changes are observed. Interest expense on debt obligations decreased from $4,314,000 to $4,429,000, indicating a reduction in costs. Conversely, interest expense on finance lease liability increased from $1,594,000 to $1,553,000, which may be seen as an increase. However, the overall impact of these changes is not significant, with cash paid for interest increasing by only 1%. Management is projecting a bleak outlook for the company, stating that it expects to continue generating operating losses in the foreseeable future. Despite this, they are confident in their ability to fund operations due to a substantial cash reserve of $269.1 million as of December 31, 2025. To mitigate ongoing losses, management plans to finance future cash needs through various means such as equity offerings, debt financings, collaborations, and licensing arrangements. This strategic approach will enable the company to continue advancing its product candidates through preclinical and clinical development. The company is expanding its development plan across multiple indications, which will require increased personnel and expenses. However, management remains committed to its research and development strategy, focusing on bringing its product candidates closer to market. That concludes the financial summary for Replimune Group, Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.